Okay, thank you, my best friend. Thank you for watching my video. Oh, wait, not yet, not yet. Okay, good morning, everyone. Good evening, good night, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. I'm sorry, in my life. My name is Dimas Keno Akbar, and today I like to present a research article entitled Collaborative Learning, Scaffolding-Based Instruction, and Self-Assessment Impacts on Intermediate EFL Learner Reading Comprehension, Motivation, and Anxiety. So, in this presentation, I will explain the background research objective, methodology, finding, and finally the conclusion and recommendation. Okay, let's begin. Okay, background. Before discussing the research itself, okay, okay. Reading is one of most the important skill for English learner because it helps students gain knowledge and improve their language ability. However, many EFL students still find it difficult to understand English text. Besides that, they often have low motivation to read and feel anxious when dealing with difficult reading materials. Right? Okay. And next slide, we have research problem. This study focus on four main problems. The first is many students struggle to understand academic reading text, and second, traditional teaching methods often make students passive instead of actively participating in class. Third is student uh, motivation to read is still relative low. And finally, last research problem for me, reading anxiety reduce student confidence and negatively affect their reading performance. Okay, next slide. Research objective. The study aims to examine the effect of instructional strategies. All right. The purpose of this research is to examine whether combining their teaching strategies can improve student learning outcomes. And this research want to see their effect on reading comprehension, reading motivation, and reading anxiety. Okay. Next slide. Collaborative learning. Collaborative, collaborative learning means students work together to achieve the same learning goals. This method also encourages active participation and helps students develop better critical thinking skill. And we have next slide is scaffolding based instruction. First is guide support understanding difficult material, gradual confidence, and independence. Okay. Scaffolding means the teacher provides support based on student needs. This approach helps students understand difficult reading material while um, while becoming more independent learner. Okay, next. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Self-assessment. And next slide is previous studies. Previous studies have already shown that collaborative learning improve reading comprehension. Next, research design. You can see, guys, and you can reading more. Uh, I can take your time to read more. Okay. The experimental group learned through collaborative learning, scaffolding, and self-assessment, while the control group used conventional teaching methods. Okay, next, participant, you can see. And next, research produce. Okay, this is step by step, right? And we have slide data collection and analyze is so important because the research collect data using their instrument, a reading comprehension test, a reading motivation questionnaire, and reading anxiety questionnaire to analyze the result. They use one way and cover which help compare both groups while controlling exciting difference. Okay, next slide, research findings, all right? The findings were very positive. Students in the experimental group achieved better reading comprehension than those in the control group. They also saw higher motivation to participate in reading activities because they enjoy learning together, receive teach support, and reflect on their own progress. Okay, and reading comprehension. Okay, finding student who actively collaborate and receiving structure support demonstrate better reading performance, reading motivation, reading anxiety. Okay, finding lower anxiety contribute to better learning performance, and we have discussion, guys. Okay, okay. We before I present next slide. Overall, these three teaching strategies work together to improve student, right? Reading performance. Okay, next, we have discussion. The research conclude that combining collaborative learning, scaffolding, and self-assessment create a more engaging and supportive classroom. Students actively exchange ideas, receive or provide guidance, and reflect on their own learning. Because of this, they become more motivated, less anxious, and better at understanding reading text. Okay, educational implication. This study suggests that English teachers should move beyond traditional teacher-centered instruction. This strategy encourages activity participant confidence, independent learning, and stronger reading skill. And we have last slide. The first last, I'm sorry, is conclusion. To conclude, this study saw that combining collaborative learning, scaffolding-based instruction, and self-assessment is more effective than conventional teaching methods. The strategies improve student reading comprehension, increase motivation, and reduce reading anxiety. Overall, creating an interactive and supportive learning environment helps EFL achieve better learning outcomes. And yeah, last but not least, recommendation. from me, based on the finding, the research recommend that English teacher include collaborative learning and reading class, apply scaffolding according to student needs, and encourage students to practice self-assessment regularly. They also suggest that future research that test the strategies with different group of learner and in different educational contexts. Okay, that's all from me from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much for your time to watch my video. If you uh if you happy, if you uh s- like my video, can you support? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Marilah Nasrai, kamu dipilih dan aku diberi. Nama depanmu, nama belakangku, ini nama tokoh satu klik sulam, kemudian satu kaki itu ya kita putaran tapi harus muter banyak kemudian mata kita lebih banyak yang aku ingat mata kita blur